trailer of the movie before the movie happens in order to see if we can garner some interest towards it. It turned out really well, and we went to a sales company who picked it up, and in the process of doing that, we realized there's a new model to be had where instead of just selling a poster, you're selling an idea of a movie. The difference is you're not actually using the actors in the movie, you're just using the script itself, but what you are showing is the capabilities of doing that movie. They say you make a movie in 3 ways: in script, in production, and in post. But here we're doing it in the way we should be doing it so that the end result is delivered as to what was promised.
Making Refuge has been a great experience. It's my second film in Bulgaria at the Boyana Studios, and this is really, to me, it's one of the leading studios in the world, and certainly in Europe. It's a huge place. There are big, huge sound stages where it's very easy to build your sets and shoot in the same conditions that you would in the best Hollywood studios. Plus it has a backlot that offers you New York, London, ancient Rome, if that's what you want, and many other things. Like in our case, we created our little American neighborhood there. The crew is so great here. There's so many professionals for every department. People work very hard. They work very passionate.
Bulgaria, the studio here is one of the major reasons the movie got made in the first place. Using the studio's equipment, we're using their trailers, their rooms, their offices. It's all built around the studio. The movie, without the studio, the movie cannot exist.
I didn't know what to expect, and I just fell in love with Sofia, and the studios here are just incredible. I'd never been on a studio where everything's already built. Like, our house is on a road which was already built.
The mosque sets looked fantastic, but to be honest, all of the sets here have been incredible. The studios here in Bulgaria are so well set up. I mean, the amount of productions that are filmed here, the audiences will recognise these sets. It's extraordinary. So to be a part of that little bit of history here in Bulgaria is wonderful too.
It has been an amazing experience. I like Boyana very much. A nice atmosphere, and everything is going very well. It's like easy to work here. No problems at all, so yeah, it's great.
Nu Boyana Studios is a living, breathing studio with working professionals. And so shooting the proof of concept here will actually give you a real taste and a look and the feel of the actual movie.